Hello my friends, welcome back and thank you very much for watching. In today's video, I will try to create an everyday makeup look. And the brand that I will use and test today is called Azelique. This video is in collaboration with iHerb, and as you probably guessed, Azelique is sold on iHerb.com. And as I mentioned, I think many times before, iHerb is one of my favorite places to go shop for supplements, for natural, more organic skincare products, beauty products in general. You can buy there everything related to a healthy lifestyle, for example, like healthy food options, healthy snacks, different kinds of supplements, and also you can find there K-beauty, which is totally amazing. And overall on their website they carry more than 35,000 products that can be shipped to over 160 countries. Plus, another amazing thing about iHerb is that their customer service team can provide support in more than 10 different languages. Okay, so today I will test all of these. Is a certified vegan and cruelty-free makeup line. They use a lot of more botanical, natural ingredients in their beauty line, and all the products contain a bunch of minerals, vitamins to just nourish, hydrate the skin, which I think is very cool, and especially if you want to wear this on a daily basis for like your everyday makeup routine. I think that's fantastic. So I'm starting this routine with the Azelique Skin Smoothing Primer, and this just comes in this black packaging, really sleek, really nice, with a nice pump. And this is the primer itself. It's quite creamy in a way, and I feel like it's definitely more like a lotion than that dry silicone kind of primer. And since this is more like a moisturizer, I will apply it all over, but of course applying more on my T-zone. Now moving on to their Illuminating Tinted Moisturizer that has an SPF of 20, and it is actually a physical SPF, which is really nice. The packaging is the same as for the primer, and I have here 3 colors: fair, light and medium. So I will show you the swatches for all these colors, but I assume that this is actually not a very opaque product. So if you want a bit more of a bronzy look, you could definitely opt for darker shade. And today I will use the shade Fair, and let me just spread this all over like this. It's a yellow based fair shade, and this actually has a really nice faint scent, something like flowery. It's very light, but it's really nice. And now I will take my beauty blender and we'll buff this. And this actually has a very good light to medium coverage, which I really like. I think for an everyday makeup this is just perfect. And also I like that it's not super dewy. Definitely gives me like a satiny finish, and it absorbs a bit into the skin. So it's not really like a foundation that sits on top. It's very uniform, and it's like one with the skin. This looks really natural on the skin, so I'm very impressed with this so far. And I think I will just apply a little bit more of this, so it will act in a way as a concealer. And also I think this should be a good product to use just for example on your chest area if you have a little bit of redness. Like, I'm generally really impressed by this tinted moisturizer. I think that it looks very good, very natural. And also if you apply a little bit more, if you apply 2 layers, definitely adds up the coverage, more coverage. Now moving on to their loose transparent powder, and it's called just the translucent elucidating powder, the same black sleek packaging. I will use this one just to set my under eyes. Yeah, this works. No white cast, nothing like this, and I applied quite a lot. Usually these powders will leave a bit of a white cast there, which I need to just dust with my brush. Now all over my face I will use the pressed powder Satin foundation. So it's more like a foundation. It's just like a compact powder, and it has a puff underneath. So I will apply this on my T-zone and in here in the rest of my face, and I will try to maybe build up a little bit the coverage. Now, I don't know if you can see, but I feel like this looks absolutely gorgeous. Really flawless. I don't see like, you know, dry patches or dry skin anywhere, because usually when I use a powder foundation I can have that. This is really good looking and definitely adds more coverage. I mean, you can definitely see that I have like a full coverage foundation on in a way. Now, because I don't have a bronzer in their collection, I will use the Tan Deep pressed powder foundation. I think this will be a really nice bronzer for me. Let me just sculpt my face. It's a bit on the warm side, but I think it will work. And just smoothing everything, blending all these products together. And kind of to marry everything, I will add a bit of this bronzer foundation that I used on my crease, just to add a bit more definition and to, you know, as I said, marry everything, the whole ensemble. Miyoko? Miyoko? Okay guys, so I finished my eyebrows, some mascara, I put on some highlighter, and now let's move on to the lips. Now for the lips, Azelique has a couple of lip products, some lip glosses and some lipsticks. Now I will show you all the swatches for all the lipsticks and all the lip glosses. But today for this look I will use the Perfect Nude lip color. This is such a stunning everyday nude lip. It's not super light, it's not super dark, it's just perfection. And these are very creamy, but at the same time they're not like glossy. So it's a good satin finish. Perfect for everyday. Okay guys, and this is the finished look. Let me know if you like it. Don't forget to check the description box because I will list there. I will have links for all the products that I used, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!